Hey pumpkins, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready. Today we're going to do a tour of my nail studio. Let's get started. Alright, here we go. Let's do a quick scan of the room first, so you get a gist of how it looks. So let's begin. Alright, so on this wall I have my nail polishes here and a quote that says, "I don't need another nail polish, said no woman ever." Like, no woman said that. And if you can see, I actually have glitter in my actual paint on my walls. Each nail polish is separated by color and brand. I am so OCD about it, you have no idea. Also, here's my pipeless pedi station. There I don't do pedicures because I don't do pedicures anymore, but it is so convenient. This part right here pulls out and you put plastic liners inside, and each client gets their own liner that's disposed after their pedicure is complete and it's thrown away, so bacteria is not transferred to other clients. I know nail salons, actually they have plastic that they put around the bowls now, so that's kind of cool. I'm glad they're finally doing that. Now here is my wall where I just have 3 hanging beaded curtains for flare. I have storage here. Right here is for the pedicure supplies. Here's more pedicure supply storage, and also I have nail supply storage in there. I have a candle and polishes here. Also, these are some of the first nail designs I did starting out. So these are so super old, OMG. Here is the other side of the room. My nail station. My closet here. These are my pictures I've collected from clients and just all over the place. So that's there. Another storage container where I keep nail art, 3D. There's more polish. I have tons and tons of polish. My blinged out TV. I love it. And my sparkle shoes. Some of my clients that I do pictures. I have a board where my clients, they basically write their comments and quotes, and it's so much fun. They love it. Those are old. I'm going to erase it, and we're going to start a new quote board. I keep my aprons and my sweater there. Nail desk. That's where all the magic happens. Art and all. Let's open the closet and see what's inside. So I have my extra nail tips and glitters and just all types of stuff. Gel polishes. More storage things. My nail hand that I practice with. Well, I actually haven't used it yet. I'm going to actually make a YouTube video doing that. Here's my certificate for my Master Architect course I took. I need to get a frame and hang that up. So I hope you all enjoyed this nail tour. If you all have any questions or anything that you want to add, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the tour, guys. Have a good one, pumpkins. Bye.